Cranberries are on sale, and today we're going to turn those beautiful little berries into a batch of homemade cranberry juice that tastes like pure winter magic. This is one of the easiest, most affordable water bath canning projects that you can do, and it's perfect for beginners. Doing this saves on our budget, but it also gives us a peace of mind knowing exactly what went into our food. The first step is to run to the store right now and go get some cranberries that are on sale. Once you have them in your possession, rinse your cranberries, remove any that are soft or spoiled, and bring them up to room temperature if they've been in the fridge. Next, you'll want to sterilize your jars. I like to run them through the dishwasher on the sterilize cycle, or you can also sterilize them in an oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Once they're sterilized, let them cool down a bit. You never want to add a cool or cold thing to a hot jar. That can cause thermal shock and break the glass. One of the keys to canning is having everything, all of your ingredients, jars, and the canner, all as close to the same temperature as you possibly can. Once your jars have cooled down a bit, fill each jar about halfway with your rinsed cranberries and then add your desired amount of sugar. I like to add about 2 tablespoons per jar, but I do need to warn you, 2 tablespoons still makes a very tart juice. It's crisp, bright, and beautifully sharp. But if you'd like something sweeter, go ahead and add another tablespoon or 2. Now fill each jar with filtered piping hot water, leaving about a 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe your rims, apply your sterilized lids and rings, and then process in a hot water bath canner, 20 minutes for pints, 25 minutes for quarts. I look forward to making this juice every single year when cranberries go on sale. I try to make multiple batches throughout the season and make quite a stock of it for my family. It's so delicious. Once your jars have processed for the appropriate amount of time, carefully remove them from the canner. Always lay down a towel or a barrier between your countertop and the hot jars, and then allow them to cool completely, and don't touch them for a full 24 hours to allow them to seal properly. Once your jars have fully cooled and sealed, remove the rings and wait at least 4 weeks before opening and trying one. The flavor is going to intensify, and it takes a few weeks for the cranberries to really let go of their flavor. When you're ready to enjoy one, just strain out the berries and pour the juice over ice, or you can also warm it up with cinnamon and an orange peel for a lovely, cozy winter brew. I hope you try this recipe. If you do, let me know how it goes in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.